start, begin.
Magkaibigan sa taong
Hi, guys.
magagalitin. At sa mainiting tao ay huwag kang
Yan,
sasama. Baka ka matuto ng kanyang mga lakad at magtamo ng sino
Why you
sa
don't
iyong
want to talk so
kaluluwa.
much?
Ayun.
You're not talking so
Jumbo
much.
hotdog.
Pag halimbawa, mahanap ka ng kasama sa buhay, may warning ang Diyos eh.
We
Sabi
got
sa Biblia,
more. A paper mask.
isama sa taong magagalitin. Kaya nag-o-observe ka bago
Like a
mo ibigay ang
monster.
sarili mo sa
We
isang
are
tao,
Slime and heart.
babae man o
slave
lalaki.
and heart.
Iiwas ka doon sa magagalitin sa mainiting tao
The
at
heart.
sasama, sabi ng Diyos.
And
Bakit? Meron
and
lalaki
a-
magagalitin, meron din babae magagalitin.
and this is mine of
Basahin
life, my
natin ang
butterfly.
kawikaan. Ang sabi ng Diyos sa
And the mask.
pagka ganyan ang asahan ko, mas mabuti pang tumahang asal.
I like papers.
Basahin natin.
I like donuts.
19. Lalong maigi ang tumahan sa ilang na lupain.
Hey, can we borrow the
Slime and donuts.
Can we borrow the scissors?
Magagaliting
Okay.
babae. Pagka nakita mo yung babae, magagalitin, palatalo, hilig sa diskusyon, laging padaldal, kung ako lalaki, aatras na muna ako kahit pa nararamdaman ko yung kumpito ni Satanas eh.
Salita mo.
Kung
So,
halimbawa lalaki
tay.
may asawa na, ba't ka naman magpapaligaw pa
May
kapatid?
dila ko natanggal.
Kaya sa iglesia ng Diyos,
English.
bawal ang
We don't
maghiwalay, kaya
understand
yung
you.
pag-aasawa, isang bagay na
Oh, hi guys.
seryoso.
I'm
Hi guys, I am
done making a donut.
Kaya bawal na maghiwalay kasi meron kang aral. Pero ang nangyari yan sa labas ng iglesia,
Ang dami namang
na sa
gusto
iglesia
to.
ka pwedeng maghiwalay, pwedeng
This guys
magdivorcio.
the heart.
Sa iglesia totoo hindi mangyayari yun. Kasi bago kayo ikasal, ay titignan muna.
And this is the oven.
Mahala talaga ba? You are ready to face the consequence
You're
of
gonna put it here.
living with someone who is not
You're gonna put it here or here,
family.
but not here.
Eh, marami kang i-adjust.
Dowi donut.
Pero pagkatapos
Yes,
ng lahat
he's
na yan,
right.
nakita mo, pwede naman sa Biblia. Pwede
This
kang
a dowi donut. Do you like donuts, guys? If you subscribe and like.
Diyos, kapatid.
Chat in the comments when you like donut.
Okay.
Hindi nakalooban ng Diyos yun.
Kaya hindi pa kami tapos.
Oh, speak English! Again.
Yan po ang sinasabi sa Biblia.
Speak English. She don't understand you.
Okay.
Use the oven.
Here's my donut. My dowi donut. Akin malaki. Akin.
Speak English.
Mine is big donut. Mine and small dowi donut. Guys, maliit lang ako.
Oh, he don't understand you. Speak English. He don't understand you. What you say? He gonna say, what you say? What you say? I'm not.
Wait lang. Say.
Speak English.
English pa rin. Huh? English pa rin. Sige mo.
Sai, why are you not
That's
sharing?
yours. That's mine.
Just share.
I don't want to share with everyone.
When you don't share, you are a bad kid.
But look, it's fit out here.
We, you.
Look. Fit. Safta mo ka siya.
We don't understand you.
We don't understand you too.
Speak English.
Sige, palagi lang ako mag-English. O di kaya Korean. Kukorean ako sa'yo. Sayang.
Wait guys, I'm sorry. It's okay. Bye.